I don't know who needs to hear this today, but your microwave's dirty. It is. Maybe you want to go clean it. Maybe not. My microwave dirty too. I mean, it gets used every day. It gets used every single day. Yet I never clean it. I need to. If you cleaned your microwave, put it in the comments. Maybe it'll motivate me to clean mine. Also need to change these strings.